I'd like to introduce you to Miss Ginger Clever Fox. She is a sassy little one. I am prepping the canvas to get it ready to be a diamond painting canvas. I use artist tape to cover up the borders of the canvas so that when I apply the glue, I won't get any glue on the border, so it won't be sticky and pick up lint and pet hairs while you're working on the canvas. At this moment, I'm paying special attention to getting the tape straight along the border so it doesn't cover up any of the canvas and that it also does not let any glue onto the border. I apply the glue with an applicator and then I use a foam brush to spread it around. I take the time to make sure that the glue is completely covering the edges. And then I spend time spreading the glue over the canvas to make sure it's an even coating. On a side note, I am wearing my diamond painting leggings. You can find those on a Homespun Hobby also. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of them. I do add multiple layers of glue, and I do let the glue dry before adding an additional layer. Manufacturers in China have a contraption similar to screen printing that they use to spread on the poured glue. They put the painting under a wooden frame that has a screen on it, and they have a squeegee, and they take the glue with the squeegee and they spread it across the screen, and that covers the diamond painting canvas. And that also allows for the glue to be on the borders of the canvas. When I'm applying the glue, I pay attention to the colors on the canvas. The darker colors pop through the glue more so than the lighter colors. And also, the glue dries unevenly, so sometimes it looks like I've missed a spot, and I really haven't. So that is why I spend so much time making sure that I have spread the glue evenly, because I don't want to make the mistake of not spreading it evenly. Thank you for your interest in how I make my diamond paintings. I appreciate you being here. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That helps other people find my videos, and it also helps me with my channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I appreciate your time. Visit ahomespunhobby.com and have a wonderful day.